Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. David, good morning. Good to see you. All right. Let's start off the morning, the London morning. First of all, quick review. Matthias, hey there. Good morning, sir. Trader G, good morning. Good to see you. Look at what happened yesterday. What a beautiful price action. I call this beautiful because actually it was good. It took out the lows from previous day. Nasdaq went all the way up there, although it was after the New York session. But look at this, took out the highs. So basically everything has been repriced. Dark cloud, hey there. Everything is repriced, boys and girls. So where to go next, right? After that, it has been completely repriced. All the levels from FOMC, you know. Let's check on ES. Almost the same, but ES didn't make it to the top, so that could be a bullish sign for us with NQ. Howdy, Trader Oracle, how you doing? So we could be seeing a movement still on ES, which could help NQ to push higher a little bit. And this means that we can still go higher. We have some relative equal highs at 932. I don't know. I mean, it's a little bit of a stretch, but NQ can do it. Maybe in the New York session, right? Mihailis, hey there. Good morning. Now, good morning. Good to see you guys. Good to see everyone. And the usual applause for everyone who's here early. And to everyone else too. So, what we are seeing right now. Oh, sirens on the street again. Oh my God. Noise is super loud. Matthias, how many trades do you usually take in a day? Well, it depends. You know, it depends on the price action. That would be the proper answer. With the scalping model I use, there is at least 1 or 2 trades in every session. So in London session or London kill zone and in the New York kill zone. So if I scalp, I can say there's at least 3 to 5 trades if I scalp in a complete day, including London and New York AM session. And if the price action is good. But you know, on average, I say about 3 to 4. 3 to 4, maybe 5. Nowadays, I'm just saying it from the last few weeks. Sometimes, you know, for example, around Christmas time, when the market was completely dead, I took about 1 trade. And also in January, I took 1 trade, most likely. In the London session, there's usually 1 or 2 trades at max, even if we scalp. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, but yesterday was a good price action. I missed some moves, so I do have some FOMO about that since I missed some great moves. Although it was a choppy market. I mean, look at that. I mean, no, not this one. This one was most likely the AM session. It wasn't that bad if I go down to the 1 minute or below for scalping. It wasn't bad, absolutely. But, you know, a little bit of a chop. Also, PM session, a little bit of choppy, but it was more predictable than usual, so it was good. We are below the midnight level. Let me put this here accurately. The midnight opening price is around 762. Asia lows are around, well, we have multiple lows. We have Yeah, I'd say we have an Asia low at 722, another sell side at 737, which is about to be taken, and 36. Otherwise, we're just waiting. Guys, by the way, please help me out and push the like button in the early morning. Let's push the stream on YouTube. Thank you, thank you. All right. So I'm trying to look for some fair value gaps or points of liquidity or draw on liquidity. What is this? Oh, that's the VWAP. Okay. We have a fair value gap below 36. We're going to put a line there just to know. 36.25. And on the 15-minute. And we have another one on the, I'm sorry, yeah. On the 1 hour is also below 30, it's below 21, sorry. So the target could be the 21, 22. That could be the target for now. It seems like it's going there. I don't know what's the news. We don't have anything in the London session. These are non-important. Spanish unemployment change. Could shake the London Open. I don't know. I don't think so. If it's going to be that much relevant, but we'll look into it. What else? Let's look at the 30-second chart. And hold on a second. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Still seems like a good area, 36.25 to go for. I could go aggressive if I would like to. This is but I don't want to. Fair value gap here. Going back higher. No clear moves yet. $36.25 could be the next target. So oh yeah, I just jumped into a trade here. It's just a probe trade, my usual morning probe trade. I don't even have a stop loss yet, but let me put a stop. It's for stop is gonna be up at 53 maybe. We'll see. All right, I'm just aiming for this 36 level. Maybe it wants to test it. My usual morning probe trade. All right. Morning. Morning, Komodo. How's it going? So I want to see this sell side to be tested below 36.25. Otherwise, not much to go for. 5-minute gap just being created, so we can see a retest above 46.25. This could be a good one to jump in or add to a short. So it should be going above 46 now. It's just $30, so I don't really care if I lose this. I want to see where the market goes. I want to feel it where it wants to go. 36.25. I'm gonna put a line there. All right. If it's not going down there, then we should be seeing a structure shift and it should be taking my stop. But then hopefully a nice change in direction to the upside. As I said earlier, ES for me is still looking bullish for the day. It just poked into some liquidity with this candle. So we could see a sharp movement to the upside, which will bring NQ higher as well. So, and there you go. This is it. It's gonna go down. Oh no. Or up. But the balance is gonna go down. All right, it's taking me out. I think ES is pushing it, which is great. And we also had a structure shift on the 30-second chart. So, let's see. On the 15-minute, still looks good. I mean, to be bullish. And get me out from this trade. Please. I don't want to be here. All right, thank you. So most likely, let me go here. If ES would start to shift, which it does, I think we could see, well, a movement a little bit higher, hopefully. There was a nice shift from Nasdaq. Asia highs are quite above, around above 800. So we could be going above 800. Could that be the case? Who knows? And by the way, guys, today and tomorrow is a flash sale with BULENOX, 90%. Grab it if you want it. The code should be working only today and tomorrow, and then it will go back to 83%. So the cheapest upfront cost right now at this moment today is BULENOX. The cheapest upfront cost. You can find the link in the description or in the chat maybe. The link is down there. Somehow the Streamlabs bot is just not activating sometimes, but sometimes it's just spamming. So anyway, go for it. Flash sale today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, I know, but it's on. Okay. All right, let's wait for a proper move here. Actually, this one looks like a proper move, but I might try to scalp once more, but if it goes down again, I'm not interested in the movement. Then I'm just gonna wait A little bit more. Oh, the risk to reward is not good. Look at that, it goes against me right now. End of day. Yes, they have end of day, but not on the option one. Yeah, not on the option one. The option one accounts are intraday. The option two accounts are end of day, but it only has 58% or something discount. So let me check. Yeah, so the option two accounts are 58% down with TOPSTEP 3. So if you're interested, it's 58% only, quote unquote only. So yes, intraday trailing BULENOX. So, and only for the first month. Oh no, I got taken out. And only for the first month, guys. So, just so you know, all right. I just got chopped up. So we're still going down. Or something. Are we going down to 36 maybe? To me it seems like it. What was it? 36.50 originally? Yeah, something like that. Hey Daniel, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you. I got chopped up immediately in the probe trades. Let's see if it wants to take out that low down there. There's a fair value gap below 37 on the 5-minute maybe. Let me check it. It should be on the, hold on. Yeah, it's down there. What a chop. What a chop. Maybe it should be spiking down, right? Or who knows? I see you have the do you always trade? Well, not always, but nowadays. I have the entry model since a while with these EMAs and such, but in the past few weeks, I mean, the entry model is the same that I use always. The classic ICT entry with the fair value gap and the market structure shift, and I determine where could be the draw on liquidity, and so that's what I use. I just added exponential moving averages to help me to go with the trend. That's all there is to it, so nothing special. So I just went down to the 30-second chart. That's all. That's the only thing. But the model I use is the same on the 5-minute, on the 1-minute. I'm just trying to scalp, and I immediately chop myself right now. I don't know what this wants to do this morning, but you know, seems like this level is pretty much holding tight, which means you could be seeing a strong movement in either way. Should be wicking out this low or pushing strongly higher. Hard to say which one is going to happen. Long, go long. No short, go short. Yeah. I got already chopped up in that. No. I'm gonna wait now. Marco, good morning. Forgot to say hello. How is everybody? I don't take trades on the funded accounts this London session, that's for sure. Only on the evaluation accounts. Well, it seems like we're stuck here. Yeah, waiting for London Open. Yeah, not much to do. There's a small 5-minute gap here. Not that important. Actually, this is an order block as well. So it might want to break the order block. Below the order block, there is a very good sell side. It's actually a 1-hour fair value gap. So this is actually a 1-hour gap down there, which could be much more interesting if it wants to go. But for now, we're stuck here. Oh, there you go. Spiked down. Okay, so the next level is at 22. 22 should be taken. Let's put a marker here. I do like the 22. 1-hour fair value gap. All right. I mean, this was a nice close below. So yeah, I thought so. It's not going to go. I thought that if it goes higher into this area, I might going to enter aggressively into a scalp here. So I'm still waiting if it wants to take it or not. This is a little bit of aggressive entry. Big drop. It's crashing. Everybody, it's going down. It's going down. Okay, so to answer the question again, sometimes I take more trades than 2 or 5. This is an evaluation account. This is a My Funded Futures account. I'm putting these trades on evaluation. I like to go aggressive, and as you see, I'm going with micros, so nothing special. I don't really mind playing with these trades, but only going with small risk. Look at that. It's gonna go down to 22 without repricing that area. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it's gonna spike down without entering me to the trade. My limit. Oh yeah, look at that. I thought so. I thought so. The draw on liquidity for now is here at 22. That I think is absolutely valid. Otherwise, you know, who knows? It's close to my entry. I don't know if I'm gonna get wicked in or not. All right, seems like I'm in the trade. I'm gonna use tight stop. 34. Where can it go? Let's see. 22. I'm gonna put my TP to 23. If it takes me out again, I'm gonna leave this account in peace for the rest of the London session. Okay. Maybe I can widen the stop a little bit up to this swing high. If it starts to reprice up here, it can. It might be better to. It's only like 2 points higher, so I can do that. It's fine. I can take that loss, and that's it. Because there's another fair value gap here, and if it trades above that level, then we could see a possible reversal. Yeah. Let's see what's happening. Still just hovering. Come on, we need some good trades. Pretty quiet this morning, by the way. Not much is happening. So, good morning, Naz. Celebrity. You're a celebrity too. Everyone is. Especially the OG viewers. Alright. So we're just, fooling around here. Trying to take those lows. Again, if somebody just jumping into the stream, let me tell you that the level that I'm looking for is the 22. It might not get taken, but look at this. We have beautiful untouched. Well, actually, it has been touched once, so I wanted to say untouched, but it has been mitigated once. Fair value gap, but it's still good on the 1 hour. The 1 hour fair value gap is still looking good. Below 22, who knows? Just gonna wait for it and see what it does. All right, everybody. I'm gonna fool around with this account. Oh man. Gonna play it aggressively. How about that? It's Friday, we can play around a little bit, right? On an evaluation account. I still have one free reset, so why not use it? Oh no. Oh no. It might be going back up there. How is ES doing? ES slowly went down here. Took some liquidity. I don't know if it wants to go all the way. It has some gaps as well. But looks bullish. This is a nice bullish flag. So that could cause problems for this NQ short again. We just need more volume. That's all. Full port Friday, exactly. I mean, we used to do those sometimes, as you guys know it. If somebody new, I just want to say we used to do full port Fridays. Maybe this account can be a full port account. It's Friday. Who knows? But for now, we're just gonna wait and see. Good morning, Mary. How you doing? Okay, not much is happening for now. Maybe we have to wait for London. There is gonna be some Spanish news. Spanish unemployment change. What else? Government blah blah blah. French news. And after that, Italian unemployment rate. And what else? So some unemployment rates are coming in. I'm not sure if those are going to shake the market that much, but maybe. I'm doing okay. I'm doing great. Thank you, Mary. Robert, good morning. We're getting rich soon, but you know, we are rich in our souls. You know, our souls are very rich. Our mind is rich. Our souls are rich. So yeah. And by the way, guys, if somebody's new here, I just forgot that we have the new giveaway this week. The winner is going to be picked next week on Tuesday or Wednesday. So yeah, amen to that. So if you haven't signed up already, there's a pinned message up there in the chat. There's a very simple form. Just put your name and email there, and you can participate in the 50K evaluation giveaway. Also, you can collect points if you go to the application, click on some links and do some stuff there, and you can earn some points. Going to increase your chance to win. We're going to do the winner pick live on the stream. If you're not here, no problem. You're going to get an email if you win. All right. So you go check it out. It's very simple. And next week we're going to launch another giveaway. So giveaways coming all the time. All the time. I like this application. It's very good, especially for someone like me who is here on YouTube for social media building. So go check it out. I can tell you the chances to win are real high. At this point, there's only 28 people participated in the giveaway, so your chance to win is 1 to 28 or 29, you know, which is very good chance. So go fill it out and you should be just fine. Also, yesterday there was a very good talk on Twitter Spaces at My Funded Futures. I liked it. Some good things are on the way. They're gonna bring the static account back later this month, not next week, but most likely I think at the second half of the month. There's going to be a sale for the static accounts, which is good. And yeah, and I think my funded futures is really giving a very good example for the industry, for standards. So it was a good one. So a good Twitter space. All right, what is happening? And again, flash sale today and tomorrow at BULENOX. Only today and tomorrow, 90% off from the option 1 accounts. All right, only from the option 1 accounts. Mitch, same thing. Asia making lows before London. Yeah, it could be. But if this one takes me out again, then I'll look at this. Then I might just going to wait for the move after London, because it's just pretty much unpredictable. I'm not sure I want to participate in the next trade until we don't see those London opens. I mean, we don't see the London open. This has just shifted structure on the 32nd. Don't really like it. I'm already down a little bit on this evaluation account. Almost $100 today. I was fooling around here with micros and I got chopped up. And if this one takes me out, then I'm just gonna wait and maybe try something else later. Otherwise, I'm in a good profit. Started building the BULENOX funded accounts and the Apex account as well. Trading on the TOPSTEP funded account too. So yeah, looking good, looking good. Looking for longs to rebalance. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for longs on the 32nd, this was a structure shift here. This was a long, almost a perfect one, but it was a good long. Should be going for my stop now, because if it takes out this stop, I mean this swing high here, it should be taking out my stop loss. And again, the 22 level is a 1 hour fair value gap, which is still left untouched, and is also considered as the Asia low, I think. So let's see if it wants to take that or not. All right, all right. Just waiting. Oh, and by the way, I got a new affiliate coupon with Trade Day, and there's a 40% off right now with no activation, I think. If you use my code TOMSABO, you can still go for it. This is micro. This is micro right now. In the London session, I rarely go with mini. Actually, I almost never go with mini, because I'm trading super small. 222. Yeah, so I got an email yesterday that I was applying for being an affiliate. Of course, I mean, yes, why not? As I said, these few affiliate coupons help me out with the stream. So if you would like to participate in Trade Days trading environment and support the stream, you can use my link. It's down there somewhere in the description, and the code is TOPSTEP. It's case sensitive with Trade Day, so all capital TOPSTEP. It's 40% off and no activation right now with Trade Day. Ignore the 222. All right. And Take Profit Trader is 40% off as well. I think Take Profit Trader is good in terms of payout. The only downside at Take Profit Trader, which I don't like, is if you breach the daily loss limit, then you blow the whole account. So that's a hard rule. That's a hard breach, which is not good. For example, at TOPSTEP, if you reach the daily limit, you're just stopped out for the day, and you can go on the next day. But Take Profit Trader, then you lost the evaluation account if you blow the daily limit. So that's the only big downside for me. Otherwise, I think everything is cool with with Take Profit Trader. But that rule sucks a little bit, because if the broker is not taking you out and you're already down pretty much on your daily limit, and your stop may not get triggered, or there's a slippage or something, it goes through your daily limit level, you blown your evaluation account. So you have to be very careful with that. Got you. So typically, how long does it take you to pass a 50k eval? Well, it depends. If we do the YOLO Fridays, not today though, I think, but maybe. If we do the YOLO Fridays, we can do it in one day, right? We did it the other week. I did that with BULENOX. I did that with Apex. So when I bought like 5 evaluation accounts, I blown like 3, sometimes 4. But I think at least 1 account out of 5 I can pass it in one day if I want to YOLO it, all in full port. Worst case scenario, I should be having at least 1 being passed. Otherwise, if I trade normally with very small size and building up the account, I think I should be able to pass an account in a month. So this 30-day for me is pretty much a typical level or time frame if I try to build it up with small trades. I have PB real data, PB Apex straight away. What? I have a PB real data. What does that mean? I'm sorry, I'm still sleepy. Message them, bro, with methodical and the rest of the influencers and all of us here. Let's all send email to Take Profit Trader. That rule. I mean, everybody says that Take Profit Trader is great, but that's the only thing they should take away. The payout policy is awesome. You can request any day a payout, and they pay you out in the same day. So that's awesome. Hello, Dukoy. Hi, how's it going? Yeah, if you go down, so if you reach that's the worst rule, and that's the only thing that they should change. Not get, don't lose the account. You know, if you go down your daily limit, then yeah, YOLO. Then you blown the eval, and that's very bad. Good morning. I cannot trade CME asset. Why not? I mean, they should be giving you the data. Yanix. Why not? Why is it not? If you okay. Takes 2 minutes. Take Profit Trader is catchy already because in the test stage it's, and yeah, Yeah, I know. End of day and the funded is trailing. It locks in, by the way, but it's trailing intraday in the funded phase, so it's a little bit sketchy. At the evaluation phase, you have end of day trailing, but in the funded stage, you start with intraday trailing, which is a little bit sketchy. It locks in after your threshold limit is reached, but still, I mean, yeah. Of course, they know the edge. They want people to fail, like every prop firm, makes its money from failed traders. But still, that's a little bit of a rule that, I mean, I guess they collected a lot of data and they're trying to make money on those failed accounts. Yes, but since that 3 days, yes, but since, yeah, there's a problem. Sketch for that. Pro account rules are different, not good. Yeah, well, the main difference is the intraday trailing. That's the main thing. And no daily loss limits. So you only have the daily loss on the evaluation, but on the funded stage there is no more daily loss limits. So you can use your whole, like in Apex. So basically, Take Profit Trader goes like Apex from that moment on. That's it. And on the funded stage. So I mean, everybody's using Apex. I mean, it's one of the top 3 OG prop firms with futures. And, Camille, hey there. Yeah. Want to use them. Please send them an email. I mean, yeah, I mean, everybody can ask them to get rid of that rule. I would say if you pass through the evaluation phase with Take Profit Trader, then it's actually okay. It gets to like being at Apex, for example. Hey Tom, just for reference, how many accounts you blew before consistent? I'm not consistently profitable, first of all, just for reference, but good question. I'm not consistently profitable. I started with futures last year, September. In October, November, and December, I had a very good winning streak with TOPSTEP. And I took out $4,200 by the end of December from TOPSTEP. I took out payouts in October, November, December. So I was really on the flow. And I was really happy. And since this year, since January, I only took $350 in payout from TOPSTEP. I still have the funded account from TOPSTEP, and I blew many evaluation accounts in March. I messed up my trading mindset and everything. So back to the question, how many accounts I blew? I blew like at TOPSTEP. So despite the fact that I took out $4,200, there's a video about it, by the way. If you go back to my videos in January, early January, I made a video about how much I spent on evaluations and how much money I took out from TOPSTEP. But I can tell you that although I took out $4,200 in December, I spent at least $5,000 or $6,000 on combine accounts and activation fees. And both with Apex and TOPSTEP. That's all I can say. I was funded with TOPSTEP last year too, with 2 funded accounts. I blew that as well. I didn't get to the payout. It is what it is. So with TOPSTEP, I was very happy that I could maintain a flow. And that's all. Right now I'm funded with Apex again. I'm funded with BULENOX, and I got a funded account with my funded futures too, which I'm not trading yet currently. I'm only trading a BULENOX and an Apex account right now on the funded level, because honestly my mind is a little bit still messed up. In March I was pretty much mentally down in trading, so I needed less month to recover, and I built up some funded accounts. I passed some evaluations, some with YOLO trades and some with normal trades. So yes. Just a second, guys. You lost 10 to get 1. I think it's absolutely in the cards. It's not the deal. Fighter jets are flying above the house. I live next to Top Gun, just saying. I already used them, and the trailing got me in a pro account. Yeah, so the pro account, as I said, it's almost like at Apex. Now on the funded, trailing and daily is still there. The daily limit is still there at Take Profit Trader. I was reading yesterday their website, and the rule said that they're removing everything. They're just putting into intraday, but I'm going to check it out again. Why everyone crying over the trailing drawdown? If you have a good, yeah, I mean, Erkan has a good point there, but if you have a good risk management and you don't go all in and risk too much, and you go for base hits, and you build up your capital or profits to that safety threshold, it's going to lock in anyway, so it's going to turn into a static account basically. So I'm not worried about intraday trailing, absolutely not, because I go small. On the funded accounts I go like $100, $50 here and there, and I don't care. If I lose like $200 or $300 for the day on the funded, I should be stopping. I should stop. So I'm stopping, and that's it, because I go super slow steps on those accounts. So I don't really care about intraday trailing. Same here, and that's why I'm sticking with my funded futures so far is one of the best. Apex is very good too. I do like these prop firms up there. I like BULENOX though. It's a smaller prop firm, but it pays out. I mean, not me yet, but we know that it's paying. Customer support is good. They're doing everything which needed. The only downside is they don't have trade-await connection. I mean, I don't care about that because I don't use trade-await, but many of you guys like to use TradingView. Blown a funded account with daily drawdown. Oh, that's not good. Oh, then I'm gonna have to check on it. Sticking with all of them, just stick to the bullshit. Yeah, I mean, they have their rules because they know they have an edge against the trader. So I mean, don't forget guys, these prop firms have a business model and they want to make money, right? So yes, of course they want you to succeed, blah blah blah, and all that thing, that sugarcoating, you know. Just don't fall for everything. I mean, genuinely, I guess the better prop firms in the long run do have intentions to lift out the best of the best traders to live accounts, which I believe they want to do. But overall, their business model is based on the failed challenges. Never forget that. And they know they have an edge, mental, psychological edge. For example, at TOPSTEP, I love TOPSTEP. They are great, super great. So go with them if you like them. I like them too. They paid me out. But TOPSTEP has the 200-day rule. Only pay you out if you have 5 days above $200. Guys, agree with me or not, that rule puts you into a stress, puts you mentally into a level that you fail to concentrate, especially if you're sort of new in prop trading, it's going to mess up your mind because you're going to concentrate on the $200 days. And trust me, when I took the payouts, you know, I got the money, and the first thing I started to think again that, oh my God, I have to start all over the $200 days. After a while, you get used to it because those $200 days will happen eventually, so no worry about that. But yeah, no problem. Just so you know, that's a mental edge against you, against the trader. They need to make money. So never forget. But these are not so hard rules to go by. They give you the tools, the leverage. So that's the best you can get if you don't have capital to work with. So I do like prop firms despite this. You're welcome, Duke. Tom is a good man. Thank you. Last month was still there. Yeah. Oh, it depends. It doesn't matter. As soon as I can get the money, I'll never leave the money in this way. I learned this their money, not mine. You never know when you're gonna tilt and blow. Yes, that's also a very good thing. As soon as you can reach a payout level, whichever prop firm you go with, as soon as you can get a payout, take the payout, take the money. That's the first goal. You have to get the first payout. 200 it's doable, yes. So you have to get the first payout. Don't try to chase dreams like, okay, because I met a guy in person actually here. He said that, oh, I'm going to build up $10,000 on my funded account. I said, no, no, no. Don't build up $10,000 on your funded account. Reach your first $1,000 payout. Reach your first 3 or 4 $1,000 payout, and after maybe consider if you can build up some profits or capital. So go for the first possible payout that you can get. Take out the money. Take that out. The pressure is too much, yes. Apex 704,000 customer. Don't worry about payout. Apex, yeah, Apex pays you out. I'm not worried about the payout that Apex is not going to pay out. That's why I'm trusting Apex. Apex is, I think I can fairly say that the biggest prop firm in the futures industry in the United States. So I stick with them for sure. I don't care about intraday trailing. It doesn't matter to me. It's completely fine. I can live by that. So Apex is definitely in my top 3 or top 2 maybe. And so I would say my top 3 prop firms are Apex, My Funded Futures, and TOPSTEP. But I do also like BULENOX too. I have my trust with BULENOX. So, but the other ones are good too. I just started out with them. So Take Profit Trader. Actually, if you pass the evaluation account with them, it turns into a quote-unquote Apex account, right? Or Trade Day. That's why I chose them too. Nice. All right, Naz. Well, let's say you make 5 days 200, then you request a payout. You are left with 500 drawdown. Bullshit. Yeah. It's as I said, it has a little bit of a pressure, but you know. Now need you guys to do the same, please, and take 2 minutes to send short, sweet message. Remove the daily loss rule. Yeah. YouTuber called NQ Trader. What? YouTuber called NQ Trader built 50K profit in several accounts and one day blown everything. Check him out. Oh yeah. I mean, we always see things like that. On a 50K, 200 is nothing. It's personal thing, Josef. Welcome to the stream. It's a personal thing. It depends on how you trade. It's like personal preference, depending on your risk tolerance. You know, sometimes making 200 on a 50k funded account is super easy. Sometimes it's super hard. But if you can take the risk, you can manage the risk normally, then it's fine. We have London open, by the way, guys. We have Spanish unemployment data coming in. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm still in this trade. I don't like it anymore. I might just close it, but I don't care. If it takes me out, I don't care. It's an evaluation account. It will be still in profit. I couldn't care less. Trade day is take profit, but end of day drawdown. Yeah. Yeah, trade day I think has a good potential too. So if you guys want to go with it, the link is down in the description, and there's a 40% down if you use my code TOMSABO. It's case sensitive at trade day, so make sure if you use it with all capital letters. And that's it. Oh wow, look at that. What is happening? So yeah. I agree with waiting for payout once eligible for payout. It has been over 2 weeks since I last traded my yeah, so with Apex, one downside is that you have to wait quite a lot for a payout, and it's because they want you to continue to trade on the account. They want you, I'm sorry to say this, but you know, they have to make money. They want you to burn your account until the payout. There, I said it out loud. Statistically saying, if someone has only 1 or 2 funded account overall, and you know, it's very hard to not to push the button on that funded account, and it's more than likely that he or she is going to blow the account until the payout, or blow the profits, so the payout is going to get denied. So it's all in the numbers and in the statistics, guys. First, my accounts, tough, one thing at a time. Yeah, exactly. The problem with Apex is if you copy many accounts same time, rhythmic begins. Yes, that's a problem, and that's why if I see someone copy trading 20 accounts with Apex, I call that a gamble. Respectfully, there are good traders out there on social media who are copy trading 20 Apex accounts. I think it's still a gamble, even if you risk small, because there's going to be a lag. There's going to be delay. The copy trader is not going to fill you in properly in all those accounts. I would say if you copy trade like 2 or 3 accounts, that's more than enough. That's more than you need. Maybe separate them to more groups, like make groups, 2 or 3 groups maybe, I don't know. For Apex, I'm waiting for 90% off. Yeah, hopefully they will do it. Hopefully they will do it. If they do the 90% off, I'm gonna stack up a few accounts, you know. Definitely. Just the first payout, after that always got approved. A couple of days, yeah. Don't trade them, wait until. I disagree with that. Well, I respect if you disagree with that. It's, I mean, everybody has their opinion. I just say that it's, if you're disagreeing with the copy trading 20 accounts, it's all right. I mean, I absolutely respect your opinion. I just say that there is a lag. Oh, look at this dirty move. Dirty move. I thought that it's gonna drop, but it's not. How you doing, Gamecraft, by the way? Good to see you. All right, Tom. But hey, if they have the monitor, all good. How's trading nowadays? Nice to see you too. So guys, if somebody's new here, just fill out the giveaway. We're gonna do the winner pick next week on Wednesday, maybe, or Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't even know. And if on live stream, but don't worry, if you're not in the stream, you can still get an email. So go ahead and participate if you like to. Yeah, the same plan, but we should trader on tap in. Yeah, I'm not touching them at all until the money lands. Yeah, that's a good thing, DM. Don't touch your funded accounts with Apex after you requested the payout. I mean, maybe you have to flip one trade with more micro every week or something if you get to that period. But still, don't do anything. Just wait for the payout. Yeah, I mean, it's not super hard. These rules are not all that hard to go by, I think. Especially if you trade with more accounts or more prop firms. These are not rules that you cannot go by or go with. Especially again if you have multiple accounts, then you just continue to trade with another account, and that's how simple it is. Look at that, we're stuck here. What is ES doing? ES slowly taking the stairs down. Still go down to 51.01. Otherwise nothing is happening. Once approved, you can trade because... Oh, we just got a subscription, RPG121. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Raul, good morning. RPG, nice to see you. Welcome. So guys, don't forget it. There's a 90% sale only today and tomorrow with BULENOX, but only for the first month. I forgot to say that. Only for the first month. So if you're confident enough that you can YOLO a few accounts with them, grab it. But it's only for the first month, the 90%. Otherwise, if you use the code TOMSABO2, you still have an 83%, and that's a lifetime. So if you want a lifetime, then you get an 83% lifetime with BULENOX. Apex gives you 80% lifetime discount, and my funded futures, I would go with the 5%. I know 5% may sound a little bit less, but if you go with the expert account, which has the activation fee included, and you know, if you go to it and you can make it, you're skilled enough to make it in 30 days, then you're absolutely having the best solution. So also the starter account is great with my funded futures as well. Well, we're growing. Thank God, and to you guys that we're having more viewers, and I'm happy that we can share some thoughts and ideas on the stream. And I like to be here. Oh, look at that. Almost took my take profit there. Oh my God. Almost took my TP. So I'm happy to be here. I might going to close this trade. I don't know. Should I or should I not? It was almost reaching the sell side liquidity on the 1 hour. Look at that. Almost. What's that on the mini? I want to check that level on the mini as well. On the mini, because there could be a few, 1 or 2 ticks different. 22.75. On the mini. Look at that. Look at that move. Maybe I should be getting out from this. It could be popping higher. I'm closing this at break even. I don't wanna be in this trade. I don't even care if it goes back down. This sharp pop here, I just don't like it. So I'm out. Anyway, it's fine. This is just an evaluation. Oh no, they wicked. No, I closed it manually. I was look at that. Now that I closed it, it goes to my original TP. So typical. But I didn't like this move, really. That scared me here. Like it wants to go back up again, take out the 40s. You know. Does anyone here also have problems with ghost trades? Order pop up and you... Yes, I had that, Erkan. I had that. I had ghost trades. So that's why I always checking my order book. Because it happened this week too. And almost every week I see ghost trades. I saw that this week on my funded futures. And the other week I saw that on Apex. I know I flattened out everything. I closed everything. And then I checked my order book and there was a pending order somewhere, a limit order. So I was like, what the hell? So I always check my order book. Actually, I should be keeping an order book tab always open because they just keep appearing. That always happens. I placed the TP a few ticks above or below the target. Yeah. I mean, it's so typical. Well, look at that. Now it's going to go for the 22 maybe. I'm not jumping back in. I'm just going to let it slide. Now you understand why I trade mechanically and respect the... oh, yeah. I see. Yeah. Stochastic momentum index. Yeah. I understand, yes. I take the money and run, baby. You open the long TP. Nice. Congrats. Does Quant Tower not notify you at closing if they're alive? Yes, it notifies me. But sometimes I have the computer and Quant Tower opened up for hours, especially if I stream. Or even if I just go out from this, from my office here. Office, it's not a real office. But if I leave the computer, I still have sometimes Quant Tower opened up. And you know, the other day, like I just went out to have some lunch or something, and by the time I came back, I was not in a trade, but I was lucky that I checked that I had still open limit orders, and I said, what the hell? These ghost trades just keep appearing. Sir Berson, good to see you. Hello. So guys, if I can ask you to do that, please push the like button. Let's push this stream to the moon. Subscribe to the channel also, and if you haven't filled it already, there's a giveaway form you can participate in. Every week we're gonna do it, but you have to always reapply for the new giveaway to being able to to participate in it. We're gonna do the pick on next Tuesday or Wednesday. Every week a new giveaway. How long is the 90% off? Today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow on Saturday. I know it's a Saturday, but in the affiliate link it says on the 3rd and the 4th. Enter on a single time frame and exit on the same time frame. Analyzing a trade on higher time frame once you already in the lower time. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. Josef is saying he likes Apex because he likes Apex. Always have a plan for your exit and stick with it. Correct, Naz. Correct. Last week I closed all orders. Go to kitchen for meal and hear order filled. That is scary. That is actually scary, man. You're eating your meal and you hear order filled and you start to run to your computer like slow motion, like whoa. Order filled. 10 minis, right? Order filled. Does anyone here know a futures prop firm with no minimum number of trading days for both passing evals and requesting payout? Well, you know, every prop firm has a different rule, but for example, my funded futures only requires you to flip the account, the funded account as well, once a week. So with 1 micro. That's all. I think at this point you don't really get much better than that. Even Apex requires you to trade on the funded account even more. So Apex requires you to have 7 or 10 trading days between the 2 payouts. My funded futures only requires you to take a trade once per week. There was a discussion about it on Discord earlier, but so many different rules with these prop firms. But you know, I mean, it's not a big deal. 1 micro per week, 10 days. Yeah, I thought it's 7, so it's 10 days. So you have to trade 10 trading days. That's 2 weeks. So for 2 weeks, every day you have to push the button at Apex. No way around it. Look at that, it's going to my TP again. Man, FOMO is coming, guys. Look at that. That dirty. So to request a payout every 2 weeks, you have to trade on Apex every single day to be able to request bi-weekly payouts, which is of course no problem if you're an active day trader. But that's why I say most likely you'll be able to get 1 payout per month from Apex, which is realistic, it's okay, right? But you have to push the button every day. My funded futures requires you to push the button once every week. At the expert account there is no consistency rule anyways. So if you have an awesome day, you just have to push the button on the next week. So anyway, oh yeah, it's Josef is asking about, look at that, it's going for my original TP. Man, the FOMO is kicking in, guys. Basically, yes. So Josef is asking if, oh, look at that. I mean, I don't care about the profit that much, because I would have made only like $60 or whatever on this trade and on evaluation account. So But the thing is that this is the one thing that is messing up my whole mind. I'm sorry, Joseph, right be with you. This is the one thing that is messing up my whole mindset. This here, right, this one. I messed up my trade. I broke my rules by closing the trade here manually. My stop loss was up here. I should have just waited. And I hate this. I would rather take a stop loss 2 times like this. 2 times more stop loss than having the FOMO by closing a good trade. Now, I don't care. I'm emotional right now. I'm emotional about this trade. It's not about eval. It's just an effing evaluation account. I don't care about it. I have other evaluation accounts in profit, so I don't care. But it's the mindset, it's the trade that messes me up. That I had my analysis. It was correct. I had the correct analysis. I closed it manually, and there's only one. There's only. Come on. I'm angry right now with myself. Anyway. So yes, exactly, Joseph. If you can take out, and you just have to leave the 500 threshold, and you can continue. But then you're messed up because you're locked into $500 wiggle room. So careful about it. Scalping day trading futures with prop firms. Yeah, you love it, right? Why everyone wants to pass in 1 or 5 days. If you are consistent, you have strategy and risk management. Don't worry about. Yeah, exactly. That's garbage. Apex has too many rules and only 30% of your best day when funded. Yeah. As I said, every prop firm has rules. Get off the 30-second Tom. You are in double back diamond. Yeah, scalper man. Yama is making you want to go 30-second. You, sir, should just stick with M2, M1. Nas, I appreciate it. I might going to take you on. I might going to go with that. I'll stick to TOPSTEP. Yeah, TOPSTEP is, as again, everybody has their personal preference, Daniel. Everybody. Relax, Tom. Agreed. You do you, but have to thought about using a higher time frame for direction and lower time frame for actually for the direction on this trade. I was using the higher time frame, so I was focusing on the 15-minute/1 hour chart. So the 722 level for me was based on the 1 hour/15-minute time frame. All right, so this was not based, I mean the take profit level was not based on the 30-second. I did see it going down there, but this was just the entry model on this one. The trade analysis was based on higher time frame. Anyway, needs to stay on the 2-minute. Yeah, I think of your next 1,000 trades, Tom. Oh look, Tom, it's your day. Yeah, it is. Trade forward. There's a great video on FVG. Might be worth a look. I don't know. I don't know who he is, but I might search for it. All prop firms want traders, not gamblers with lucky punch. Exactly. Seconds time frame on NQ is effing wrecked me, Tom. So good luck with that dirty 30. Yeah. Thank you. What's up, Hello Teacher FX? What's up? What's up? Thank you. Yeah, drop a like, guys, and subscribe. Fill out the giveaway. I'm gonna let you know that the chances are very high to win the giveaway. Only 32 people participated, so good chances to win. Morning, FXMO. How you doing? So now that we took out this 1 hour gap, is there anything else to do? We still have plenty of time, so we might see a possible reversal. Oh, I do like this level at 750. Look at that. There is a nice level at 750, which is basically a liquidity void up there. Could be a good target for later if we see a shift. So it's right there. I'm gonna put a line there. All right, 51.25. I'll be looking for that level. Okay. Oh my god, I have this box behind me. All right. So what is happening? Waiting for a new setup. Super exciting. What is below this level? I'm curious. Let's check the 1 hour. Not much. Fair value gap. We have a 200 EMA on the 15-minute. Not much as well. Could go down to 680s maybe if it wants to. ES tapped into that liquidity as well. Now this should be the time to go long finally on ES. I mean, if ES starts to go, then finally we'll see a displacement on NQ. Hold on, I have to change something in my display capture. Just 5 seconds, guys. All right, it's good now. Share them. Yeah. Yeah, so there are some good discounts still going. And we have coupons for trade day as well. You can find it in the description. Hi, Ali Kalaka. Hey there. Are there problems with my funded future? I passed 7 evals. Oh, you passed 7 evals. Paid the PA fee 2 days ago and don't get the accounts. 2 days ago. There's no problem with my funded futures. You should be getting the accounts. You know, I think you maybe you'll getting it today, but you can also talk to support. I know they were having an issue with the payment processor. I'm pronouncing it, and they said they are working on the issue, but there should be no problem. I would visit the website as well or Discord and ask for support. I'm sure that they are going to help you out or give you a ticket number, and 100% sure that it's going to be taken care of. Don't work on a website. Let me check. Maybe they're sleeping, right? No live support on the website. I thought that they have a night shift or something. If you go to the chat on the website, you should be able to fetch support. You know, there's an option you can talk to a support agent and leave your message, and they're gonna reply to you. Every platform has technically the same support platform. But if you have Discord, then you can ask around there too. I'm 1000% sure that they're gonna sort it out for you. You can't leave message. Alright, let me check it. Let me check it. Send us a message. Getting ready. Active promotions, account rules, trading hours. Oh yeah, there's no link for support. There was a link for live support agent. Live support agent. And I started rhythmic expert plan. Maybe there's nobody on the night shift, you know. They're closed technically right now. So let me check. Account issues. Anyway, I think you can still describe your issue to them on the chat, and they should be getting back to you. I think they're sleeping. You don't have Discord. Just find your menu which describes the most of your problem, main problem, and just leave a message. They're definitely going to get back to you. You only leave one ticket though, and if they take long to answer back, you go to Discord. Yeah, this was yesterday. Also no support yesterday. I mean, they were having a Twitter space and they were just talking about it, that they're having fast support response. My other accounts don't show progress or trades for 2 days. Yesterday the website crashed, by the way. Yes, because everybody was going for the flash sale and the codes. There was a flash sale. That's why it was crashing. Good morning, Isham. Yeah, you can check. You can find Fabio or someone else. DM them. I'm 1000% sure. And also try again after the New York Open, or sometime around after 8 or 8:30 Eastern Standard Time in the AM session. So yeah. But there should be no issue. I mean, I know someone also who received the funded account after it was more than 2 days. And then finally he got the email. I mean, not the email, but yeah, it was activated in the dashboard. No displacement, nothing on this trade yet. Still waiting. Oops, hold on. I'm just chatting with support, but I think it's AI. Okay, there is someone on support right now. So just showing you that here is support. Right here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe here. So I just asked, hello, are you an AI support agent? And he said no. R3. He's R3. I just left a message that I have account issues. I mean, just checking. All right. I just had to ask, you know. So there is real human support right now. No, I'm not in a trade yet. No trade. No trade. I'm looking for longs at this level. can I share your game file? Yeah, I mean, you would like to post the link or screenshot? Real human support, yes. I had to ask, you know, because there's so many AI support agents around. So there is real support. Yeah, let me give you permission to post links. Okay, Arkan, now you can share a screenshot if you want, if you can post the link or something. Yeah, this price action is typical London session, right? I'm not even surprised. All right. So, this is Erkan's plan. Oh, thank you for subscribing. SL Butia, hey there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, the game plan here. Okay. Point of control. Long. All right, nice one. This area has been taken. Next area, okay. Okay. I see it's good. Good, good. Also, I was thinking maybe I will go on with some support and resistance in the future. No, that would be different to trade support and resistance. Although I was surprised in the past few days how much some certain support and resistance areas were working. So I was trading support and resistance before smart money. Actually, I was only trading that. And you know, if you can find those levels and map them out somewhat accurately, then you know that gives you a very good edge or feel for the market. You draw all those zones out yourself. I couldn't. I had a trading view do it for me with some cool indicators I have found useful. Yeah, there are some tools you can draw. You will never be able to map them out as good as the indicators do. Well, there are some very good indicators to do that. I agree. I agree. But you know. Okay, let's see. Why not save time and make life easier? Yeah, absolutely. Although I haven't really checked too many of those indicators, but I know there are a lot. And the thing is that almost every support and resistance indicator has a little bit of a different area. So yeah, the majority is around the same levels, but they're always a little bit different depending on the settings. You know, we have lots of combinations for settings with support and resistance levels. Guys, this price action is actually, I mean, look at that. Since in the past 30 minutes, are doing absolutely nothing, guys. This is typically the time when there's absolutely nothing to do. Nothing. Any style of trading work, it doesn't matter what you trade, everything works as long as there is displacement. Yeah, that's also good AS. Yeah, like I will never go back to sweeping my own house ever again after purchasing my first Bissell spin wave a couple of years ago. All right, Nas. Yes, all drawn manually with fib levels. Nice. I have strict rules when a zone is broken. All right. Toll Traders 80. Hey there. I'm trading pure CCI plus minus 200 levels on pullbacks. There you go. There you go. So many ways to do it. You know, so many combinations. CCI. Oh my god, I don't even remember when I used it last time, but I know many traders using it. You can mess with the indicator settings. Yeah. Okay, we see a little bit of a pop here. Okay, made a structure shift. Let's see if this one leaves this gap. I might gonna look into some positions targeting the 51 level. There is a volume imbalance, so could be working out. 33. All right, I'm gonna be aggressive on this one, guys. Aggressive limit order there. There you go. Super aggressive limit order. 5 micros, guys. It's very aggressive. Look at it. It's gonna pop now. It's gonna leave me here. Look at that. It's going away. It's going away without me. Okay, got filled. And now it's gonna sweep again. All right, my stop is gonna be down here, and my limit is, I'm just gonna put it here, right there. I'm just scalping, guys. This is just a one-to-one scalp, nothing serious. All right, nothing special, nothing out of the box. Just a simple scalp trade, okay? I'm not risking a lot, only like 70 bucks or something, 75. If I lose it, I lose it. I've been around the sun a lot of times and it worked. There you go. And toll trades, by the way. So if it works for you, you should you should stick with it. Erkan, this is going to keep you from over trading and only talking. I see. And playing gut feeling. There you go. Toll trades, toll trader. I like that. I like that. I do like that. I like the attitude there. That's a good one. It would be great to leave a runner, but I want to be out at 40. Maybe close 3 and leave a runner. I don't know. I just want to get out from this one if it takes that level. It could take like another hour. I place only a few orders a day, only when it hits the zone, not just for fun. You know, we're doing a show here, Erkan. We're doing this for the fun. For fun too. It's fun, you know, it's Friday fun. That is how you do it, pro. The show must go on, you know. The show must go on. Yeah. Be careful with the 10 a.m. volatility. Yes. 10 a.m. is gonna kick in. It might gonna throw me out from this trade with the stop. Sorry. Tom, may I ask what in the is that? Oh, this is the stochastic momentum index. It's here because of Nas. Because we like Nas. I respect him. No, I mean, I'm not really using this stochastic momentum index, so nothing special about it. It's just, you know, default. Sometimes it's good to see if we are pretty much too long on an oversold on overbought levels, if I should exit or maybe look for some targets or whatever, reversals maybe, whatever. It's not a specific entry. It's not part of the entry model exactly to wait for this. It just gives you a extra feeling or confluence of what is happening. If I see a divergence, what can I expect? Stuff like that. Yeah, it's a classic. It's an old indicator actually. Classic old indicator. It's your trading time. Nas, it's all because of you. You made this possible. I'm just complimenting you. It's a complimentary indicator to show my gratitude to Nas. Just a supplement. There you go. Yeah, I like that word. I like that. It's a supplement. It's a little bit extra, you know. But I'm not making my decisions based on the stochastic. My neighbor is cutting the grass again. You know, he's doing it every week. So, all right, we're out. Nice one. At least some of the losses came back. Oh, wow. Look at what Erkan just posted. What is the... Oh, Jesus, holy baby Christ. It looks like the instrument cluster of a spaceship or something. Like, this is what you see when you want to go to an intergalactic or dimensional jump. And these are the screens that you have to check when you know, enter into a wormhole or something. But I like it. What is this? Oh my God. I mean, don't worry. I'm just joking around, of course. I like the setup, by the way. These are good. These are good. As long as you make an order out of this and the strategy, I mean, that's good. That's a scalping setup. Yeah, I can imagine. That's actually a good one. If you find your way through it and you have the order, then that's all that it takes. Total Trader 80, just found your stream because I'm bored, but you have a good attitude and I like your calmness. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That feels good. Looks like a Jason Pollock on steroids. Yeah, thank you for saying that. Anyway, by the way, guys, please push the like button. And also, if you would like to win a 50k valuation account next week, the form is pinned to the chat up there. So we're going to do the giveaway next week on Tuesday or Wednesday. Fill out the form. It's very simple. Just name and email, and you can earn some points inside that online application by clicking on some links and, you know, answering some questions. More points, more chance to win. We're going to do the live pick on the stream. If you're not here on the stream, don't worry. You get an email from me, and I'm going to announce it on Twitter/X. So, right. Make sure to fill it out. And also, if you would like to support my channel, and if you like trading futures or you would like to trade futures, please use my links and codes. That really helps me keep going. And I'm also going to share some background how much I made in affiliate commissions in last month. Since I'm not taking payout, the last payout I took was in from trading was in February. So I'll be honest with you guys, without the affiliate commissions it would be much harder, because last month, Toll Trades 80 just subscribed. Thank you very, very, very much for subscribing to the channel. So without the affiliate commissions, I would not be able to do this full time. But all I can say is that I'm gonna go into specifics later. There's gonna be a small video, just as Methodical Man did one. But so the average salary in my country is super small. I mean, in Hungary, the people are making about $900 a month. It's not even $1,000 at many cases, $900 a month. And so for me to be here full time on YouTube, those affiliate commissions giving me more money than an average salary, way more money. Not way more, but a healthy chunk, more than average of the Hungarian salary here to be here. So that's why I can afford to be here on YouTube every day, because the help of you guys. So thank you so much, and I'm very grateful for that. That's why I'm trying to do giveaways too. I only use the 220 HMA and 200 EMA. My candles are Heiken Ashy and always on the... Oh, there you go. Now you can be good friends with Nas there. He likes Heiken Ashy too. Tall Trader, sorry. Tall Trader. 6'8". You're tall. Tall Trader, so sorry. 6'8". Oh my god. Were you playing basketball or something? Jesus holy, I will have to look up you like this. Two minutes is clean. Naz really likes the 2 minutes, and I promise you, Naz, I'm going to look into some backtesting and collecting more data on the 2 minutes. I'm always looking for more information. And yeah. Yes, I have been, but I'm fine. You're 5 inch short on check. And Toll Trader, I like that. Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome. How old are you? Pro Trader 80. So 80 means your birth year, maybe. Germany. Wow, awesome. Yeah, I'm from Hungary. Not from Budapest, but yeah. 8 inches club. all right. Totally forgot. 8 inches club. Yeah. Germany. I like Germany. I see. Yes, from Germany too. Guys, that's awesome. My God, last time I was in Germany, I mean I was a few times there. I checked I was in Munich. Checked the BMW museum. I like BMWs. I mean, my favorite brand is of course BMW and Mercedes. I like those cars. I'm a German car enthusiast, so I had BMWs quite a lot in my life. Not now, unfortunately, but I love BMWs. I love them. Although they are wasting your money, I know. I mean the older ones, but I still love them. Munich is 100 kilometers from here. Oh, guten Morgen. Ich spreche Deutsch nur ein bisschen. That museum is nice, yeah. When I got to the museum, I didn't even look at the cars. I was almost running straight to the BMW Z8. I love that car. I have a Z8 replica. I mean, not a real one, but a small car, 118 version here. It's from the BMW museum. I can actually show you. I brought it from Munich. So I brought this from Munich from the BMW museum. The Z8. I had to buy this. My favorite car in the world is the BMW Z8. So I never opened the box. So this has never been opened before and ever. It's a little bit dusty, but my favorite car in the whole world. Although it's a fortune to buy it, but you know, that's why we're trading. Fahre such ich vorbei. That means something like I'm gonna drive to you when I'm close by or something. It's just a tip. How's that? You have a friend to get the hookup custom Z8. Yeah, I think we took out Asia low. Now maybe upside until at least US Open. Yeah, maybe. Let's see the bigger, higher time frames. Buy side, the next one should be at 60, maybe. So only 61, 7 or 8 points away, which is also the midnight opening level. We still have time from the kill zone, so let's wait a little bit. Oh, when I drive by to Arden, I come by you. Oh, something like that. Yeah. Awesome. Gerne. All right, motorbikes, and have to visit the area around Luxembourg called Eiffel, where the Nürburgring racetrack. Oh, wow. Awesome. That is super great. Nordschleife, yes. I'm familiar with that. 6'8" guys riding motorcycles. Look at this move. By the way, I mean, this one just took out, I mean, repriced that liquidity void that we were talking about earlier. I mean, this gap right here. This has been repriced. So maybe I should have held it until it wicks up there, but it's fine. It was just a one-to-one trade. You know, maybe that it has been repriced or rebalanced. It might try to go for one more dump. Who knows? I'm from beautiful Cologne. Oh, nice. Ich bin in Trier gerne. What does that mean? Cologne means perfume here in America. Yeah, cologne. Actually, that's perfume, right? Yeah, in English, something like that. What is happening? Let's see. Everything's pretty calm. Nothing is moving. I mean, after this, I mean, excluding that, it's a city, yeah. In Germany, that's is 47.11. Can't trade your MQ instrument, unfortunately. Oh, because Cologne is from Giorgio. Nice. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Welcome. I trade gold and GU and EU GJ only. Oh, I see. Erkan are Turkish. Do you know who is Gorkam? Only investing in stocks? Oh, that's a good thing, I guess. If you know which stock to pick. I'm guessing maybe you're not really day trading, so you're just buying them on the spot, or I don't know. Everything is calm. Not much is happening. Oh, wow. Super awesome. Just looking for some setups, but nothing is happening. I was watching the charts on my other screen. Your origin is Turkish, but I do not know Gorkan. Oh, stocks is investment for later. I do CFDs. Okay, a little crypto for fun. I see. He's a young trader, trading gold, doing really good. He's being okay. The chart is a chart. Exactly. 3 ways. Up, down, and right. Always waiting to learn. Oh yeah, I mean, it's a never-ending process, learning trading. It will never stop. We always try to adapt to the market, always try to, you know, raise the skills. Okay, making some pullback here. Nothing significant on the 5-minute as well, so no fair value gap. The next one is down at 40. Really nothing specific. Hey Mesopetti, what's up? What's up? Well, nothing really. I got a little bit chopped up in the early trades, and now I am a little bit. I was just only trading one evaluation in this London morning. I mean, look at this. It was really crazy. I mean, nothing was really moving. This session was absolute slow so far. Maybe we will have some movements in the New York session. So far, nothing is happening. Oh, trades by Matt. Was it Riz? Yeah, this is actually NAS 100, but it's NQ. The chart is actually almost the same. Yeah, it's NFP day, so there will be some movement. Oh yeah, absolutely. So I would say even after the news come out, NFP, if you guys want to participate, wait for the stock exchange open. So don't do anything crazy. Wait for the 9:30, and even after that, best would be to wait after 10 a.m. You know, Eastern Standard Time. Sorry. Whether we have a stronger dollar or a weaker one. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Let's see what happens. I'm not really expecting anything special right now from Nasdaq here. We could be going higher a little bit, but as time goes by, I think everybody's going to wait for the news. But they were about $90 off. I compare my NAS. Well, I mean, if you're trading the CFD version, the levels would be the same, but yes, the price is not exactly the same, but you could still see the same levels. We should be getting down below 39, reprice that area, and yeah. I've never traded NAS 100. Yeah, I think it's a little bit, yeah, I understand. I think it's a little bit more, I'm not saying harder, but maybe because of the spread and because of the manipulation by some brokerages. But yeah. Tom, if you see me in the chat next week, which you probably will, then please do me a freaking favor and remind to start trading again. Yes. Gotta pass that MFF 100k in 150k this month, so only left to use your code one more time. Naz, again, I appreciate you were using my code, and I wish you all the luck. And you know what? I promise you, if I see you on the stream, I'm going to be nagging you that, man, start it already. Come on, do it. All right. Thanks again for the support. I'd have a long on you 742 level short term up 753. Yeah. I mean, look at that. This could be a possible long. But not much right now to happen. Guys, what can I say? I love being here, and I love the chat. I love trading. I love trading. I dedicated myself into trading. But at times like this, it's just, you know, you can't do anything really. It's non-tradable. Now this is going back to this fair value gap. If you guys want to go long on this gap, you can do so at your own risk. I'm a little bit scared to jump in. That's the CCI flip. Okay, that's 200 for alert and 100 for a go. I see. All right, it's long and now it goes down. Look at that, it closed below the gap. And now I feel like it's gonna go below 41. 5-minute chart, sorry. Yeah. Or it could be repricing somewhere 740. This gap, maybe down here, and then go higher. This is the 5-minute. Yeah, NFP. Yeah, guys, the best thing you can do for today is you have to wait for the news first, and then you have to wait for the market to open. So that will give us like 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Taking a trade earlier than 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is a gamble, guys. That is gambling. Okay? So unless you don't have some prop accounts that you want to YOLO and full send or whatever, do not trade. Just to watch, maybe. I'll be here, I'll be watching. You know, but you know, don't trade. We're just gonna watch and try to analyze the market. So anyway, guys, I think M5MQ futures showing slide change of character bearish structure. Holding my firmly under weave up. I'm careful going low. I'm not going to take any trades, Nas. Nah, yeah, I'm not going to take trades. I just wanted to say, guys, that I think this is pretty much what we could do, what I could do in the London session, and I'm not going to risk anything else. I mean, I was only doing one evaluation account trade, slightly in a few dollars loss, so not a big deal. It's NFP day. All right, so guys, I think this is it. I'm gonna call the London session here, and I'll be back for the New York session. Maybe paper trade. Yeah, paper trade it or demo trade it if you want to, but that's it. And I'll be back in the New York session. We're gonna watch the news and the market open, and then we'll see. Then we'll see if we're gonna take a trade or not. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you come back to the New York session and subscribe to the channel, push the like, and if you would like to support, use my codes and links. Thank you, guys. Love you all. You guys are great. Thanks for supporting, and see you guys in New York. All right, cheers, everyone.